Fine, let us start working on the second problem, which is based on bar chart, right? Let us check out here. A class visit a park and there they saw some animals and as well as birds. They plot a graph by placing the number of animals and birds. Right, what we are supposed to find, sum of number of deer and monkey is more than the number of peacock is. First let us check out here. So monkey is going to be 25, deer is 40, right, peacock is 50, right, duck is 35, and as well as pig is 15. So these are the number of animals and birds the student is able to see. Right, now let us check out. The question is the sum of number of deer and monkey. Let us check out here. Deer plus monkey. The sum, you just check it out. Monkey, so deer is 40 and plus monkey is 25, which is going to be 65. The total number of monkey and deer is 65. And as well as the peacock, let us check out here. Peacock. Peacock is how much? Peacock is 50. Right, what the question is, sum of number of deer and monkey is more than the number of peacock is. That is, you just find the difference, that is 65 minus 50, which is going to be 15. So 15 more is there, so that's what option C is the right one.